Meaning of flurried.
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 Flurried. Flurried means to be in a state of hurried confusion or agitation, often because of multiple tasks or unexpected events. The result of being flurried can vary, but common outcomes include forgetfulness, mistakes, and a lack of focus. Someone who is flurried may be juggling many responsibilities or trying to multitask, causing them to feel overwhelmed and anxious. Being flurried can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress levels, so it's important to take steps to manage and prioritize tasks effectively.